Welcome back to Weekend Smile, guys. So the way we see things reflects who we are as a person. We are inherently inclined to see things from more individual perspectives, and that is what separates us from others. So the first thing we see in these photos will tell a lot about us. Let's see the first one. Debbie, are you ready?
I'm
ready?
so ready for this.
Okay, let's go.
Drop it.
I actually see a man with some binoculars.
That's what I see too. A man with binoculars. I see the hat, I see the hands holding the binoculars, I see the nose.
Yeah, I see a man with some binoculars. Let's see. Okay, so it says here, you want to read the first one, Debs?
Yeah, if you saw a man with binoculars.
No, you see the car. I don't know who see the car.
Who see the car?
I see a car, no. But at first, I saw the man with the binoculars.
You
don't
saw
see
a
the car
car?
at the top? Yeah, the car at the top with the two yellow wheels. So right here
Oh,
where the eyes
yeah,
are,
I saw the car. Yeah, I saw the car.
At first?
Okay.
No, you saw the binoculars.
I saw the, no, not at first, but now that you're pointing it out, I can see the car. Okay, all right. So if you saw the car.
Right, so if you saw a car, that probably means that your freedom is important to you. I should have seen the car. The ability to hit the road, meet new people, see new places, and experience new things is near and dear to your heart. You usually take life at your own pace and do what comes naturally. I really should have seen that car first.
Well, since we saw the binoculars, let me tell you what it means, right? It indicates that you tend to be more analytical.
Yeah.
You look at the bigger picture and disregard minor details for the most part. You're usually able to learn visually and absorb information quickly. You might want to make sure you pay attention to detail more consciously. Why this sound like it had dragged me up, sir? Why
I saw
like
the
judge
car
me?
first.
No, I'm not going to lie.
Because
Tell her I'm going to lie, no, because tell us she see the binoculars first. Now, all of a sudden, she'll change her statement.
But the car is more me.
Anyways.
All right, next one. Let's see what's next.
Next.
I see an alligator, or that crocodile or alligator.
I see a boat, and I see, like, okay.
I see an alligator. Or
I see a boat.
Alligator with him closed mouth. What?
From inside the front.
Okay. Oh, no. You know, so there's another thing there from the first picture. But okay, we're not going to get to that.
Okay.
All right, so the next one. I see a crocodile. Right, so I saw the crocodile. So
I saw the boat.
That you're probably looking at the bigger picture. You might be a little bit dismissive by nature, not looking too closely at things that don't immediately strike you as important. You're probably very practical and not much of a risk taker. You live a life more on the cautious side and don't make much room for new things. That's probably true.
Really?
Probably. Yeah, I think so. What do you say about the boat, Debbie?
Okay, so if you saw a boat, like myself, you've got a great eye for small details and few things are able to get past you without you noticing. You tend to be more unique, quirky, and creative than most. But be careful that you don't get
Get murdered in details.
Yeah, okay, fine. I'm here like assessing myself when I'm reading this, you know. Yeah, get murdered in little details. Especially if you're an artist or a student who get caught up in the little finer details and get carried away.
That's probably Debbie.
And you don't want to move on. It's me. Because if it's something up on the screen, I go on comes and scrape it off until it come off. And you're not going, all right.
Bigger picture.
It come off.
Eyes on the prize. I don't have time to focus on that. Eyes on the prize. I think this one is a little bit spot on. The first one, though, I think I'm a mix of both, guys.
So this is the third. This is the third.
Right, so we're going to the third one.
Illusion. So how you know it's the third?
No.
Oh Lord, this is good.
I see a lady.
I see a lady and I do see an old man. So I see both of them. I do see it.
But the first one that struck me was the lady.
I saw the old man.
At the back, with the hair. I saw a lady with her back turned and the hair. That was the first one that struck me.
And the old man has his head hung a little.
Yeah.
All right.
So you gonna read the old man, Deb?
Yeah. If you saw an old man, it indicates that you are a gentler, more sensitive person who can feel the feelings of others remarkably well, aka an empath, And because you saw the old man first, it means that you are you're more than likely using the right side of your brain more than the left. That's the more creative hemisphere, indicating you're an artistic person.
Boy, this one's spot on. It's very creative. All right, so if you saw the woman first, it means you're a fair amount more thoughtful and analytical, perhaps even calculating compared to those who see an old man. You probably use your left brain more so than your right brain, but your cold analytical thinking can be used for good. Don't try to suppress the side of you that wants to believe in the best in people, to heal people, and to create a better world.
Lawyer, Talia, this is up. I tell you, so
You know, empathy sometimes. I think this one is...
this is so... The boy better tell you, this can't spot out no more, honestly.
Yeah, like, I don't think I relate well to, you know, the people's feelings. I'm not saying I won't be empathetic, but
Right.
I won't be like, I don't know if I relate as well as I should sometimes.
No, and that's fine too. I too sometimes don't
Sometimes it's too
extend there.
empathetic, Debbie.
No, that is very true. But I know how to just draw the line and just catch myself and say, no, honey, come, too much.
You know, it's a blessing.
Too much of this.
It's a blessing
Yeah.
that we're able to see both. Or
I
both
think
of them.
so too.
Yeah, so
I think
far.
so too.
Okay.
We have a fourth one?
Yeah, we do.
Okay, fourth.
I see two people together.
Yeah.
Looking
Me
together
too.
like this.
Hold on, I'm trying to see if I see anything else.
I see two people.
I see like it's like a, no, it wouldn't be
is
a
it,
dice.
mountain?
No.
Oh, no.
Oh, like
Yeah, I see pillars.
The pillars, right?
Yeah.
The pillars,
Okay, I
right?
have to look hard for that one.
Yeah. I see three
saw-
pillars. There are
yeah,
three pillars,
yeah.
but then there are two people in
Yeah.
between the pillars. So
I saw the two people first.
yeah, but
Right, so
gotcha. Go ahead.
So if you saw the three pillars, sorry, right?
Yes.
If you saw pillars, then it may seem like a stretch, but it signals that you like comfort and security. You probably won't achieve the big things you want out of your life unless you're able to break out of the bars you've put up around the life. Now, step outside of your comfort zone and experience new things. It's also a sign that you're too focused on dreaming and not enough on working. And then if you saw the men, like us, Debbie, which one is
Yeah,
that?
it means that you're free and ready to move on from where you are at any time. Your life is hardly dull. In fact, it's full of some incredible people and things. You are sensitive and kind, but be careful that you don't spend your whole life drifting. Be ready to settle down when the time comes.
All right. Thanks
Okay.
for the advice.
I guess. Very interesting.
We got one more. Let's see. Which
We
other
do?
one we have?
We have time for more? We have time for one more?
Yeah.
All right, cool. So, illusion number 5.
I actually saw a vase first.
Yeah.
I saw a vase first, and then I saw the
saw
two
the vase,
heads
and then
facing
exactly.
each other. So it says if you're a woman and you saw the man's face first, it means that it may mean that you have a high libido or are more interested in finding a romantic partner right now. If you already have a partner, it's probably a sign that you are deeply connected with him. He is often at the forefront of your mind and things are going smoothly. All right. You see the man face? Debbie, which one you see? Debbie, don't have nothing to say.
No, Tala, it's you. She just define it and move on. She's like, I don't even want to discuss this. I don't want to comment.
No.
Okay, if you're a man and saw the man in the photo first, it means you may be concerned about interpersonal relationships like with other men, whether it's someone at work, at the gym, or a close friend. And if you are a woman who saw the woman's face first, it means you feel comfortable in your own skin and your positive attitude will pay dividends.
Oh, no, me can't see the woman's face.
I don't want to say a woman's face.
Oh,
no,
no.
honestly. And if you're a man and saw a woman's face first, it may be an indication that you're looking for a partner to share your life with. You might be looking a little too hard. Give yourself time and it will all fall into place.
I have nothing more to say.
Why this feel like, there's something there what to say? You're whatever under the stars that comes on RGI 94
Yeah.
FM. That's so this made me feel.
Woo! But I saw
Your
me on my
horoscope.
eye.
Exactly.
Saw me on my eye, Debbie. We have to go to a break.
Guys, we learned a lot really about each other, about ourselves. I hope you learned
Yeah.
something as well.
This morning.
Right? But still to come, Jermaine Edwards drops by and we'll be right back right here on Weekend Smile.
Woohoo!